all my life. Been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle, pay the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life I've been grinding all my.
Greetings, world. Middleman Mentor here to drop a gem on how to build your credit. A lot of my clients, old, young, a lot of them just don't understand about credit, haven't been dealing with credit, so they basically don't have no history, and they don't understand that 30% of your report is based off the history of your report. So what you see behind me is a site that I tell a lot of my clients to go to called Credit Rent Boost. When you go to this site right here, it's going to give you 2 years of back history. It's probably somewhere you was renting out a room, or could have been staying with your mom. Anybody, like, put the play together. Anybody that you know that got mortgage and you're trying to get 2 years of history, you can get that to report on your credit score. And I can guarantee you this, a lot of people results that they getting results from, that I tell that I send there, they getting at least 30 to 50 points boost in their credit report. So if you're in the 500s, mid 500s, and you're trying to get in the 600 club, and you're trying to scale up in this credit repair business, or in this credit building, this business niche, or whatever, it's not even a niche, it should be a lifestyle. This should be a lifestyle, it's no niche. This should be a lifestyle, part of your day-to-day situation. Focus on yourself. I call this investing back into yourself. Anyway, on this website, at first, I was going to break it down step by step on what you need to do, but it's like, I'm not even that type of person. Like, I'm the middleman. I'm putting the plate together to show you how to get to the food. Like, put the rest together, put your plate together and eat. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to go right here, past rent reporting. Click on that. Like I said, we want the 2 years. To be even smarter, to make sure you go through the process and know everything step by step. That's why they have videos in place for you, and they have information under it to let you know exactly what you need to do. I don't have to do the video and show you step by step on what you need to do. They have a video in place to show you exactly what you need to do. So click on the video, hear the lady out, see what she got to say, then boom, take it to the next level. Click on the 60 piece. Boom, it's one person. Finish this information right here, go to next. That's report and authorization. That's when the person you're gonna report, and you're gonna get the authorization from the other people that the person mortgage that you're claiming. The person that has a mortgage and you're claiming that you rented with them, you need to have their information, and you're going to get authorized from them. Then you're going to purchase it. You saw that it was $60, $69, something of that nature. Mine's already built through my studies and how I learned how to build credit. That's what I was told to give to my clients, and my clients get it, and I get good reviews on the back end of it. It's information, I'm duplicating information that was shared with me that people are getting results with. My clients are getting results using this information. This is the first thing on my website. If you want to get this right here and you need this, you want to go down to the link below. It's gtapproved.com. We're going to put my website down there. Click on that. Click on recommended cards. When you click on recommended cards, it's the first link, literally the first link. That's the first step I want you to do. That's 30% of your report. You need to have history. So after you get the 2 years right there, trust me, we on our way. We on our way. And I'm finna drop another video on the self and another video on Kick, because kickoff have changed. It's not the $12 no more. But excuse me, we don't even want to talk about these other things. We're going to do step by step. We're just going to focus on this one right here. We're just going to focus on this right here. And when the next videos drop, we're going to take it there when it's there. For now, middleman dropping GT approved foundation, dropping the jewel. Hopefully this can help you build your credit. And we ain't even going to hold you long. Get busy. We outside. I'm out.
Nigga, I'm grinding for all my shit. Grinding for all my shit. Yeah, I'm grinding for all my shit. I put time into all this shit. Man, I'm grinding for all my shit.